When removing an existing flooring product, ensure that all seats, seat track, trim, and any hardware that may interfere with the replacement of the flooring is removed. Always remove existing floor coverings. Start by removing any inserts in nosings or other small sections of flooring. Use a hooked blade to help loosen pieces of vinyl flooring if you need to. Taking care with a sharp blade and ensuring you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment. Make sure any residual adhesive is removed. For the main body of the vehicle, remove all vertical sections first. Once this is completed, you can begin to pull the flooring out, from the rear to the front of the vehicle. This will eliminate most of the debris sticking to old adhesive. If the removal is difficult, cut the floor covering into 3 to 6 inch strips to make pulling easier. You might also find it useful to soften the adhesive by applying heat prior to removal. We would advise against using chemical or spirit-based adhesive removers on absorbent surfaces such as plywood, because the active ingredient in these chemicals can soak and attack any new adhesives used.